Hello, how are you? This is Elsa coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I'm here today to do the March draw for the 12 of 22 journal challenge. Remember, the rules are pretty simple. You can do as many as you want over the 12-month period. You can start, stop, you can do one and not do the next one. Maybe you don't like the theme, whatever. The journal has to be no smaller than 4 by 6, no larger than 6 by 9. It has to have no less than 3 sheets of paper and no more than 7 sheets of paper. Must be a stitched-in journal. And you must complete the journal and send photographs of it to me at either Bemis Crafty Corner group on Facebook or bemiscraftycorner@gmail.com no later than the 3rd of April. Okay, let's go ahead and draw one. Just one. All right, let's see what we've got. Animal and or pet. For March, our theme is animals and or pets. So that's a great one. You could do a merry-go-round, or you could do a jungle theme, whatever you want to do. But that is our topic for March. If you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. Till I see you again, stay safe. Bye-bye.